Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We are going to be testing this TM AA12. So this came in with just a level 1 build, so we've just installed a M90 power spring as requested. With the M90 build, it's worth pointing out, obviously this hasn't got sort of all the range upgrades and stuff, so it's kind of like when we've done external range testing, it definitely reflects that obviously this is originally designed as a CQB gun, so you know, the only reason some of our builds reach as far as they do is because we obviously modify them. So this one's obviously shooting perfectly good. I've probably used like maybe sort of 2.5s you know, in CQB, and obviously when it comes to your sort of trying to shoot out to range, you might struggle a little bit, so because obviously it's not really sort of a design for that. It's a good CQB gun. Obviously if you want mods in future, you're always welcome to sort of book it in, but obviously this is the build we've got and we've done it, and it's like I say, it's increased the FPS with a stronger spring. So it's now shooting 275 on 0.2s and with hop set, and 230 on 2.8s, again with hop set, to try and get out to sort of like, you know, 40 meters distance. You might find that that's going to increase a little bit if you crank that off a little bit. But yeah, obviously it's you know, increased over the standard, because obviously the standard is substantially less out of the box. So yeah, so hopefully it's good for you. Obviously it's we're just going to test now just to demonstrate it working. I think all these AA12 sold out when they came in, so it's day one, so yeah, seems to be going quite well. There we go. So we tested it all working for you. Like I say, M90 spring in there, and yeah, we hope you enjoy and have lots of fun with it. Thank you.